Good morning. Another week is here. I cannot wait to get started. It's always nice coming off of a long weekend, no joke. So I just finished at my first school for the day.
I'm lost.
Oh, are you? I'm lost too, girl. That's deep. That's deep. I've just finished at my first school and now I'm going to visit my CF at one of her schools. So that'll be my afternoon. Come with me. So I just realized that my camera has been set to manual focus, which means I've probably been blurry for like weeks. I don't know. Sorry, guys. I am just packing up for the day. Made the mistake of checking my email. I was covering maternity leave that ended this week, and so I am reworking my schedule so I can use a room at one of my schools, but now I've been volunteered to help with evals, which is justified. I have time. It's great, but I'm just like, you know when you have like something in the air and it's not settled yet and then just like more gets added? I just don't handle that always the best, so I get kind of stressed out knowing that it's gonna be all fine. But it gets to be a lot, and I think everyone in special education feels this way. You know, oh, it was winter break, you had students transfer, but hey, for every one student you had transfer, here's 3 new students. Oh, and guess what? All of them are in eval are in re-eval or initial evals that were due 2 months ago. So yeah, there's just a little bit of a hecticness after breaks. That's for everyone. It's just funny. You come back, rest, relaxation, and then it ends up being fires everywhere to put out. So off I go. I'm trying out my new schedules today where I go to my elementary school and then to my middle and high school so I can use our office. So maybe I can show you guys around in there too. All right, here is my office space at the other school. This is full of math materials. I don't know, it's been in here all year. This is a new building for them and I hope they're not missing it too much. And then we have our desk because I share this with the other speech person. And there's like a little workspace over there. Also, if you don't follow the trollable Dave Sindri, he just came out with this decidinator for his games. So you can just have the students stop it when they're ready and it'll pick up a game that you can play. And this is on Boom. So I've been loving that addition. I really hope you enjoyed this week's video. Sometimes it's really helpful to see some of the places other people work so you feel like you're not alone. I've been in hallways, I've been in stairwells, and I've had offices. It's a wide variety. So don't forget to like and subscribe. We only ask because it really helps YouTubers out. And I will see you guys next week. Remember, you are not alone. I'm in this with you. Bye, guys.